Hello, my little mathematicians. I'm going to give you some extra practice on PEMDAS or GEMDAS or order of operations, potato, potato. Okay, go ahead and try numbers 2, 10, and 13 on a separate sheet of paper. And then once you go ahead and try those, why don't you come back and check your answers. Okay, number 2, now that you unpause the video and you're back with us, number 2 says 45 divided by 3 times 20 plus 4 squared. So according to PEMDAS or GEMDAS, okay, P, E, M, and D, A, and S, do you see any parentheses? No. Do you see any exponents? Yes, that 4 squared. Now that's not 4 times 2, it's 4 times itself 2 times. And 4 times 4 is 16. Bring down that plus 20 times 3 divided by 45. Okay, no parentheses. Exponents are gone. Multiplication or division. M doesn't necessarily come before D. When deciding between multiplication and division, you do whatever comes first from left to right. So 3 into 45, well, 3 goes into 4 once. 1 times 3 is 3. Subtract that, you get 1. Bring down the 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times, and you get a remainder of 0. So 3 times 15 is 45. Those two things simplified to that. So those are gone. Bring down the times 20 plus 16. Now I'm to this step. Before you add, you take care of multiplication and division. So 15 times 20. Well, that's 0, 0, and then put a 0 placement holder to move on to the number in the tens place. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Add down, that's 0, 0, and 3. So 15 times 20 is 300. Plus 16, and 300 plus 16 is 316. If you got number 2 right, good job. And go ahead and down at the bottom, cross off where you see 316. Okay, now let's try number 10. Number 10 says 4 cubed. Cubed is a special name for the third power. Minus 4 minus 8 times 7. Okay, no parentheses. Exponents, yes, that 4 cubed, which is not 4 times 3, but 4 times itself 3 times. So 4 times 4 times 4. Well, 4 times 4 is 16, and 16 times 4, I'm going to need to go ahead and work that out, right? 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So 16 times 4 is 64. So that's what 4 cubed is. And then bring down that minus 4 minus 8 times 7. Parentheses are gone. Exponents are gone. Multiplication or division, right here, 8 times 7 is 56. Minus 4 minus 64. And now you just do addition and subtraction from left to right. So 64 minus 4 is 60, minus 56. And 60 minus 56 is 4. So your final answer is 4. So I'm going to go ahead and cross off 4 right there. So that was 4. This was 316. Let's try number 13. Okay, and so that it stands out, I'm going to choose a different color. Okay, number 13 says 54 divided by 27 times 3 plus 6. Well, no parentheses, no exponents, multiplication or division. Remember, when deciding between M and D, it's whatever comes first from left to right. So I'm going to do this 54 divided by 27. I know that looks tough, but let's try it. I don't know about you, but I don't know my 27 times tables. So kind of estimate. It's like 30, and this is like 60. How many times does 30 go into 60? Roughly 2-ish. So let's try 27 times 2. 14, that's 4 plus 1 is 54. And look at that. it goes in exactly 2 times, okay? And so estimating it kind of helped me get a good starting place. So 27 times 2 is 54, which means 54 divided by 2, or divided by 27 is 2. Bring down that times 3 plus 6. Okay, when deciding between multiplying or adding, we're going to multiply. 2 times 3 is 6. Bring down that other plus 6. And 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, so 13 was 12. So I'm going to cross off this one. If you want to go ahead and try the rest of these, and then you're going to cross off all the ones that you got. And then at the very end, whatever's left is going to be your answer. Okay, and if you want to check yourself, okay, once you're finished, go ahead and pause the video, and then you can check. You should have gotten Africa as your final answer, and those are the worked out in case you had a question on any of them. If you tried those 3 and you got them right, great job. If you missed them, then go ahead and try some of those others, and then check yourself until you get like at least 2 or 3 right in a row. And once you do, great job.